In today's fast-paced world, businesses must evolve and improve operational efficiency to stay competitive. Many businesses face roadblocks as they move from pilot projects to scalable solutions. Without the right roadmap, businesses risk getting stuck in pilot purgatory, unable to move forward to full-scale transformation. Individual roadmaps can identify quick wins, which allow businesses to prove value early and build momentum for the longer journey ahead. For example, automating manual tasks, leveraging real-time data insights, and improving internal collaboration all play a key role in achieving early success. To scale successfully, you need a clear roadmap that ensures you never get stalled and allows for flexible adaptation as your business grows. Without a roadmap, the journey can feel overwhelming. A structured plan ensures you move forward with clarity and purpose. The DX Accelerator Workshop from EOSYS is the first step in creating a tailored roadmap that sets you on the path to scalable success, ensuring continuous progress. As part of our broader DX Accelerator program, we provide ongoing support to guide you every step of the way. EOSYS helped Jack Daniels improve OEE by over 5% by leveraging real-time contextualized line performance data. Similarly, EOSYS helped Gibson increase their productivity and enable real-time whip tracking. Ready to unlock your digital transformation? Contact us today to begin your journey with the DX Accelerator Workshop from EOSYS.